How to remove contacts from Facebook Messenger. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from The Solution Guy, and in this guide video I will show you the way as to how you can go ahead and remove contacts from Facebook Messenger. But before we get started with this video, if you are new to our channel, then make sure to leave a like and hit the subscribe button. Without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. Now first of all, just make sure you have either downloaded or updated the Messenger app to the latest version, and you can do this by heading over to your respective app store in the search box, typing in Messenger, and go ahead and simply either download or update the app. Once you have updated the Messenger application, I want you to go over and simply open it up. Next thing you want to make sure is that you are logged into your account. So let's say you've uploaded some of the contacts in the past. Now you want to remove those contacts from Facebook Messenger because it is showing up on your Messenger app. So which means in order to remove suggested contacts or any type of contact which you've added to Messenger, tap on the profile icon at the top left, scroll down, and you have to find the option called Phone Contacts over here. Tap on Phone Contacts. And you can see that upload contacts is currently turned on in my case. So if you want to disable the upload sharing, tap on it, and you want to make sure to just turn off uploading contacts, and after you do that, you can most likely see our contacts will get removed. If this doesn't help solve your problem, then again you'll find another option that says manage contacts, which is at the bottom. I'm not sure if it's really visible, but right over here you can see manage contacts. Tap on it, and on manage contacts you want to make sure to delete all of the contacts which you've uploaded in the past by tapping on this button over here. Tap on delete all contacts to delete the contacts you've deleted in the past. Now if this doesn't help either, what we will do is we will just go ahead and long press on the Messenger app icon, tap on the option called I button over here, which will take us to the app information page. You can also access this page by going to settings, apps, and selecting Messenger. Now what we will do is we will go to permissions. Once you go to permissions, you can see contacts. You want to tap on it. Currently it is set to allow, so I'll just set it to do not allow, which means Messenger application will not be able to take access from our contacts. And this is simply how you can go ahead and remove contacts on Facebook Messenger. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, do make sure to leave a like and hit the subscribe button. If you've got any more questions, queries, or doubts, make sure to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.